Lima vlog day 2, and as always, we hit up a cafe for that coffee boost to start our day. It may be the caffeine jitters talking, but I wasn't sure how today was gonna go, but spoiler alert, it exceeded my expectations. We planned a free walking tour of the historic district in Lima. Being budget travelers, free is in my price range, but as you can imagine, free doesn't guarantee quality, but that isn't the case with this tour. It was actually kind of shocking how structured, safe, and informative this tour was. Jose was such a great tour guide, you better believe we tipped him. Getting confident, we saw one more site and ate out before our social batteries were dying out, which means hitting the grocery store for some salt and sweet snacks. We love candy, especially the gummy kind, but when we travel, we have this thing for chips because there are so many types of flavors you can't get in America. Since it was our last night in Lima, we kind of felt lame just sitting in our rooms, so we decided to hit the hostel bar for one drink and friended the bartender to learn his English is so good because he writes down slang he hears from the guests, which somehow led us to playing Jenga till midnight with a group of Brits.